Hey there, if you're currently watching this video, so today I'm going to be doing this neon eyeshadow look using inexpensive products. So for the eyeshadow, I'll be using this little palette that I got from Amazon. It's called BYS Cosmetics, and it looks like this on the inside. Now this was only $7 on Amazon, but the company itself does have a website, and on there this was only $4.95, but the company is based in Australia. It's a family owned and operated business. It looks like they do ship internationally, and this is cruelty free, so I really do appreciate that. So to get started, I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and some of this neon orange right here, and I'm going to put that in my crease. Now switching over to a flat little angle brush, I'm going to take this purple right here and put that in my crease. Next, I put a little bit of the L.A Color Jumbo Eyeshadow Pencil in Seashell on my lid, and using a flat brush, I'm going to take this neon yellow right here and put that in the corner. Just wiping that brush off, I'm going to take that green right there and put that on the rest of my lid. For the liner, I'm going to use the e.l.f. liquid liner as well as the Wet n Wild charcoal eyeliner pencil. For my lashes, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Luxe Lash Kit. It looks like this, so I'm going to attempt to put those on. We'll see how it goes. Okay. Better than last time. I have a little bit of glue in that corner, but it's okay, it's sticking, that's all that matters. So for the lipstick, I'm just going to use this NYX Butter lipstick. This one is BLS 01 Razzle Fiesta, so I'll put that on. Alright, so here we go. This is the final product. I will put some pictures at the end so you can see what it looks like, but I definitely really love this little palette. I'll absolutely be using it a lot more because it's super bright. My camera doesn't even do it justice to show how pigmented these colors are, and they blend very easily together too. They're not dry, they're not chalky at all, so I highly recommend you guys check it out, and I'll put a link for all of that in the description bar. But yeah, I hope you guys like it, and thanks for watching. Bye!